Okay, assignment 5, finding the, oh shoot, where do I have it? The mean and standard deviation of a random variable. Okay, not too terribly hard actually on this. It does sort of give us the answer with a graph, but I'll explain it as we go. Okay, we're going to click on, well, I have all the data typed in. This would be, I think, problem 1 and 9, I think. Yeah, and I gave you guys 2 and 10. Shut up, dogs, or I'll kick you. Okay, so we're going to go on stat. We're going to go calculators, and it's a custom calculation we need to do. So we'll go all the way down here. Okay, our values are the different values we could get. We could either get a 10 or a 20 or a 30, and that's it. Those are the only 3 values we could get. And the probabilities that they occur are 30% of the time we'll get a 10, 50% of the time we'll get a 20, 20% of the time we'll get a 30. Notice how all the probabilities add up to 1 or 100%. So we have the values and the weights. We'll hit compute, and it gives us this funky looking graph, but right there in the bottom it gives us the mean and the standard deviation. Boom, that's your answer. The interesting thing is, I want you to look at is, notice it's a graph, but there's discrete numbers. There's no curve going. They're just individual values. We could get a 10 or a 20 or a 30. And, oh, sorry about the phone. Right now, the probability of getting less than or equal to a 20 is these two things, which is up here a 0.3 and a 0.5 for a total of 0.8. If we were to change this number, what's the probability of getting, say, less than or equal to 15? Okay, well, we can't get 15. We actually can't get 11 through 19. All we can get is 10, but since 10 is less than 15, that will occur 30% of the time, which comes up here. But still, our mean is 19, our standard deviation is 7. If we, well, we can copy that and paste it into the Word document. If we do the same thing here, calculator, custom, we're going to do it for this data and this data. That's these now. We'll hit compute. The mean is 4.2 and the standard deviation is 1.89. Okay, and when you do this with problems 2 and 10 on your calculator and this, you'll know you did it right when you get the same answer. That's assignment 5.